Today we are heading to Maishima in Osaka, Japan. Maishima is an artificial island located right next to Universal Studios Japan. It's a big island. Coming Osaka Expo in 2025 will be held in Maishima, and the IR resort, which include the first casino in Japan, will be constructed there too. Right now we are driving in south part of Osaka. It will take an hour to get there. It's a little bit far, but compared to the last time when I drive to Wakayama Prefecture, still much closer. So let's keep driving. On the way, I found the energy drink free giveaway, so I pushed the motorbike and get one.
ぜひ飲んでみてください。キウイフレーバーになってます。
ありがとうございます。
ぜひ飲んでみてください。
Sweet, it's a kiwi flavor. Let's drink it in Maishima Island. On your right, it's Momoyama Gakuin School. In English name, St. Andrew's School. It's a Christian mission school. However, as you know, Christian population is really small in Japan. So most of the students are not Christian. Even many prospective students, they don't know it's a mission school. However, most of Japanese don't have religion, so they don't really care. Yes, it's one of the unique Japanese culture. On your left, it's Abe no Harukasu, the tallest building in Japan. There is an observatory on top of the building. You can drink local craft beer with watching sunset. It's a perfect place. If you want to see what it looks like, please check my previous video. On your right, it's a baseball stadium, Osaka Dome. If you want to watch Japanese baseball, you can go there. We are almost Maishima Island. If we turn left here, we will get to Universal Studios Japan. You see the roof there? It's Harry Potter Hogwarts Castle. I've been here by motorbike so many times, but I haven't visited the Maishima Island yet. I'm so excited to explore there. After we cross this bridge, it's the island, so let's keep driving. In front of you, there is a building that looks like a castle from Arabian Night. Can you take a guess what it is? Is it theme park? Is it shopping mall? Actually, it's a garbage disposal site. It's really interesting artistic spot. Right now, we can't go there due to the pandemic, but maybe I will make a video about this building in the future, so please look forward to it. Here we go. Now we arrived to Maishima Island. On your right, that's professional basketball stadium. So now, let's find a parking and let's explore the island. Finally we arrived. Hey guys, welcome to Ryan's TV. I'm Ryan. Say go. Well, this is a place that we will have Osaka Expo and a casino in the future. So let's explore one by one. Let's keep walking. Just used the restroom. It was really clean. Loving it. Let's keep walking. There is ocean right next to this place. I found many groups of people enjoying fishing here. I'm wondering what kind of fish they can fish. Hope I can stay here one day. Anyway, still there are many places to check in this Maishima island, so let's go to check the next place. Look at that, the view from there must be good, so let's go there. There is a place where we can take a rest and also great view. Wow, it's super nice. Seems like they can play the card over there. And also, according to the internet, there is a beautiful Nemophila place over there, so let's keep walking. There are several people practicing go-kart. Seems like it is closed. Well, this is the closest place that I can come. It's beautiful. Loving it. Actually, it was closed, but the security came to my place and he let me in. I was really lucky. It was windy because right next to the ocean, but blue Nemophila with Tulip feels like I'm standing on the ocean. It's super beautiful. Loving it. Wow, look at this street. It's a long street, but no one here. You see the blue sign over there? That's Lawson, Japanese convenience store. Let's grab something to eat. There are several convenience stores in Maishima, so you can buy food and drink. Yes, this is what I love about Japan. Wherever we can find a convenience and we can find the good foods and drink. I really want to have beer here, but today I drive here, so no beer today. I found interesting foods. Let's get it. Oops, never mind, it's okay. Alright, I got the stick onigiri rice bowl. Let's find some place to eat. I'm at the north part of Maishima Island. This is also a barbecue spot, but no restaurant, so you need to bring barbecue equipment by yourself if you want to make barbecue here. But it's cheaper though. Also, there is a playground too. Wow, look at that! In the last video, I visited Wakayama and then tried the scary bridge. But this one would be really scary. Today, I'm just checking, so I can't try that. But if you want to try that, you can come over here. It must be really scary. Anyway, let's keep walking. So that's the park. Not so many nature places in Osaka, so this is really nice barbecue park. Now let's go back to the observatory to eat the stick onigiri. This is the other side of the observatory. There is a restroom and it seems like it's clean. Perfect. Alright, finally we came back here. So let's sit down and eat. It will be sunset. I don't know how long it will take though. Alright, seems like this place can place the cam. Since I'm shooting the video by myself, always need to find a place to place the cam whenever I want to eat. Anyway, let's eat. Oh, maybe you guys were wondering, what is the drink? Yes, I have Monster. Kiwi taste. So, let's drink it. Oh, oh my goodness. The sunset, beautiful. So actually, this is my first time to see those onigiri, stick onigiri. I believe the taste will be similar, but let me see. There are two kinds of taste. One is pork fillet cutlet with sauce. Oh, it must be good. The other one is pickled plum and perilla chicken cutlet. Both of them sounds good. Let me try this kiwi monster. Interesting. Exactly tastes like a kiwi. Well, I remember when I was an exchange college student in the United States, before the exams, I always drank Monster. Well, at that time, we didn't have the Monster in Japan. The reason why I drink Monster over Red Bull, because the price was cheaper. Yeah, that was super simple reason. Well, hope in the future, I can get sponsored by Red Bull or Monster. Anyway, let me wash my hands with hand sanitizer. Let me try this stick onigiri, pork fillet cutlet with sauce sesame flavor. It's a long name. In Japanese, goma kaoru sauce hirekatsu. Much easier. Anyway, let me try that. How do we eat? Well, compared to regular onigiri, we don't have seaweed, but it's much easier to eat. It's like a sushi style, huh? So, itadakimasu. There is cutlet with sesame sauce. Well, it's not that bad, but I prefer regular onigiri with chicken that you can buy, like a El Chiki or Fami Chiki. Oh, loving it. So how about the next one? Next one is the pickled plum and the perilla chicken cutlet. This one also long name. In Japanese, umeso chicken. Umeso chicken. Much simple. Anyway, let me try that. Hope this one is good. It's really easy to open it, so I like the concept. However, taste should be better. So I believe there is a shiso. Oh, flavor? Really good ume flavor. This one should be good. Let me try that. Itadakimasu. Oh, 美味しい. There is a chicken in the middle and outside shiso leaves. Plus ume. Japanese plums are here. Yeah, definitely this one is better than last one. Oh, that was good. By the way, look at the sunset. It became more beautiful. Nice. When I look at the big sky, feels like I'm swimming in the ocean. I really love watching sunset, especially beside the sea. I decided to take time-lapse shot here, and I enjoy the beautiful scenery. Still, weather is a bit cold in nighttime, but the summer is coming. Can't wait to travel by motorbike. It gets already dark. I could get the great time lapse. If you want to see more about Japan, I'm a travel photographer. There are many photos on my Instagram account, so please check my Instagram account too. Speaking of my channel, there are over 300 videos about Japan travel and Japanese food. So if you are thinking of traveling to Japan in the future, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification so that you will not miss my new video and a surprise live stream. So hope you enjoyed traveling Maishima with me. Can't wait for the Osaka Expo and the Osaka Casino in the future. So see you in the next video. Arigato! Bye bye! Oh my goodness, This place right next to the ocean, even it's spring, super cold. I gotta go home. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Arigato! See you in the next video. せーの、ガオ! Bye bye!